Hello friends, welcome back to Rabi Hobby. Today we are making Soya Chap Masala. Soybean have been a part of Indian agriculture for centuries, but the use of soya chap as a meat substitute is a relatively recent development. Soya chap was first introduced in the 1960s in Delhi by a company called Ramesh Chandra and Sons. They developed a process to create a meat-like texture from soybean and wheat flour, which they call soya chap. Since then, it has become a popular ingredient in vegetarian cuisine in India, particularly in North India. Since I'm vegetarian and while in India last month, I found this ready soya chap in Delhi grocery shop, so I bought some to make this video. So let's jump on it. These are ready and dry soya chap, so we need to soak in boiling water to soften it. Set it aside in the hot water for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take it out of the water, take it out of the stick and cut it into small pieces and make sure you squeeze the water out of it. Soya chap is a popular vegetarian protein source in Indian cuisine, made from soya bean and wheat flour. It is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes, ranging from curries to kebabs to sandwiches. Soya chap was initially marketed as a cheap and easy way to get the benefit of soya bean, which was rich in protein without the need to cook them from scratch. The meat-like texture of soya chap made it an appealing ingredient for those who were transitioning to a vegetarian or vegan diet, or for those who wanted to reduce their meat intake. Today's soya chap is widely available in grocery stores and restaurants across India and is staple ingredient in many vegetarian dishes. Now it's time to deep fry all the soya chops.
पानी था बड़े पापा जी पानी था
In recent years, soya chap has gained popularity beyond India and has been incorporated into international cuisine. It is now commonly found in vegetarian and vegan dishes in fusion restaurants and global fast food chains. The texture and taste of soya chap are similar to meat, making it popular meat substitute for vegetarian and vegans. Additionally, unique adaptations of soya chap dishes have emerged in different parts of the world, such as soya chap tacos in Mexico or soya chap stir fry in China. Soya chap is mock meat or vegan meat made with soya beans. In northern India, the ribs of mutton or meat are called chap. The soya meat is wrapped around wooden stick to give a vegetarian leg piece-like appearance, hence the name soya chap. Across North India, the soya sticks are creatively used to make various vegetarian dishes. The reason for their popularity is chicken-like texture and the ability to absorb the flavor of the curry. In addition, the soya meat adds a great variety to the vegetarian menu. Very soon I'll be making my own soya chap at home. I'll be adding a video of it. So please keep checking in for it. Now let's move on to the gravy. We are having a family teamwork here. Add some oil to the frying pan. One black cardamom, two green cardamom, stick of cinnamon, few black peppercorn, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, few cloves, and 2 bay leaves. Roast it until you get the aroma of it. And then add onions in it. Cook onion until it gets golden brown. Cilantro for garnishing. Add garlic paste and ginger and grilled chili paste. Now add the tomato puree in it. Add salt to taste. And cook the gravy until start leaving the oil. One teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, one teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder. You can adjust spices according to your taste. Add generous amount of degi mirch. It's also called known as Kashmiri lal mirch. It's not spicy, but it gives you a nice color to the curry. Once the spice is in the gravy, turn the heat on low and cook it for another about 5 to 8 minutes. Now it's time to add the soya chap in it. Add half stick of butter. Now some hot sauce. I'm using Tabasco sauce in here. Cover it and let the butter melt in it. Add some fenugreek leaves. Now add some hot water in it. Now after 5 minutes, add heavy cream in it. Mix it well, then add half teaspoon of garam masala and fresh coriander leaves in it. And now here is your delicious vegetarian vegan soya chap masala is ready to serve. You can have it with roti, naan, rice or paratha. Enjoy.
Okay, here guys, try it. Good?
Really
Approve?
good.
Approve?
Approved.
Now Vasu is next one. बड़े से छोटा बजेगा here.
See, it's actually really good.
I'm gonna also eat chicken today.
I was hesitant about it, but it's actually really good.
Yeah guys, I'm gonna eat chicken. See. Ready? Set? Does chicken taste like this?
Kind of, almost.
I'm not missing much. Dadi ma खिला दो. ये बताइए कैसा लगा? चिकन अच्छा लग रहा है?